Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so for Bitmine, well, this is a little bit challenging. Is it going to keep following Bitcoin or do something else? That's the question. Now, Bitcoin is doing is a wave, maybe about to be finished. So if Bitmine hurry up and maybe can give us, honestly, I'm not sure, but an A is going to make a B and a C, and this is going to be the A wave of this fifth wave. After that, Bitcoin is going to collapse. I'm joking, but it wouldn't be impossible to see Bitcoin between $72,000 and $75,000. So that would be crazy, right? So maybe we're going to reach that $16 sweet spot. This is why I cannot emphasize more on. I'm trying to maximize my gains, and if the chart is looking good, I'm taking profits because I want to have a cash flow for that potential post Black Friday. Okay, so if we do that, after that, when Bitcoin is going to complete its bigger fourth wave and Bitmine as well, then we're ready to do this fifth wave up. Now, I know this is insane. When you look at the price target, this is the extension wave 1 entry to the wave 4. Actually, now let me double check here. If we do a lower low, see now. Okay, now it will start to be a little bit more reasonable. I'm going to put it to $16, 251. It's still amazingly crazy, but at least it starts to be a little bit more realistic. Let me remove the 0.618. It's not really a resistance level traditional for the wave 1 entry, the 0.5 fib, but I still put it $150 because we did have quite of a resistance here, so it could be just psychological level that it can hold us up a little bit. Yeah, but 0.618, it's really where, if everything goes well, this price could really go there. And because we did reach the 1.618, and the fifth wave usually tends to go 1 at least level up, but even 2 usually. Yeah, 330 wouldn't be crazy. That's almost a 30x, seriously, a 10x. But this, once again, it's all mathematical calculations. Bitmine has to do the work. For sure, there is so much fundamental. Wall Street switching to the blockchain. Yeah, more likely using Ethereum. Now the interesting thing is Cardano ready? Because if everybody moves in and Ethereum is kind of slow, well, Cardano has, is developing, and actually I think it already started to work, that secondary blockchain channel. I don't know how to say the proper words, but you can, not using exactly the Cardano blockchain, but like a side road, and you can use any crypto coin that you want, and you can use if you want, the highway of Cardano, and just pay in a cryptocurrency that you're transferring. So if you're transferring XRP, your fees are going to be in XRP. If you're transferring Ethereum, your fees are going to be charged in Ethereum. So that's amazing. So if it does that, and we all know Ethereum is not the quickest, fastest network, so there is a big opportunity for Cardano if they're ready when the moment is arrived, and hopefully they will push for be ready anyway. So Anyway, go back to our Bitmine analysis. Yeah, so I do tend to believe that maybe this correction is not finished. You can see that the 1-to-1 ratio, this is crazy. It would invalidate this chart, okay? But 0.618, 1656 is still on the spot. What do I need to let it maybe be more bullish? Well, for sure, if we reach $70 and higher, then I would say this would be a very nice trigger hint that this correction is finished. But for the short term, we can just do a fib retracement. The other way around would be better. No, actually, yeah, I think I want to do, yeah, I'm going to do that one. No, just for short made, it doesn't really matter, seriously. Okay, so I'm going to use that as a B wave. And I'm going to say if the price starts to go higher than the 0.786, which incidentally is going to break out from this downtrend. It's a weak downtrend line because only have 2 touching points, but still, psychologically. And we do have, yeah, this $70, which is kind of the previous peak here, and the 0.5 fib retracement. So here is going to be a very strong resistance. So we shall see. But if we really blast out from it, then yeah, we're going to go higher, no problem. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye!